for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, heated front seats, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.